is driving transformation across industries, but what does that really look like in action? I'm here at Lenovo Accelerate, where I spoke with Colin McIsaac and Leslie Harlien about how Lenovo is bringing AI to life across key verticals and what that means for partners. Colin, let's start with the big picture. How is Lenovo helping activate AI across different industries, and where are you seeing that really gain traction?
Wonderful to be here with you, Sydney, today, and I'm so glad you asked me that question. AI is actually taking hold at Lenovo. In fact, our CEO has declared this the AI decade for Lenovo. So we are in our 5th decade of business, and this is the AI decade, very definitively. And we are starting to see that take hold across our business, both from a hardware portfolio perspective, as well as all of the software and service relationships that we're out in market building right now. And it's really resonating with our customer set and our partners. We're seeing customers and partners alike come to us for deeper understanding of the technologies, the solutions, and it's a very active dialogue right now in market.
That's a great foundation. Now, Leslie, in your vertical specifically, how is that momentum translating into real opportunities, and what should partners be paying attention to right now?
So great question, Sydney. Thanks for having us here today. So I'll start first by K-12. So we're really seeing K-12 asking for help. Help with, how can they leverage AI? There's a shortage of teachers. There's more teachers, unfortunately, that are leaving education because they're frustrated because they don't have the time that they want to be in front of students teaching. They have so much administrative task, they're taking that time away. So AI, we're excited about the opportunities. We're talking to them about having them offload some of the tasks, like creating lesson plans, looking at grading, creating newsletters that they send out every week to parents, getting a lot of that off their plate and automated so they can spend more time in front of students. And then having teachers, we're spending time with professional development of teaching teachers how to use AI with the students to also help the students and have more personalized learning. If you look at higher education, we call it the 3 R's. We're really seeing AI being able to help right now with recruiting those students that are most likely to want to go and when they get their acceptance letters, be excited about going to that university. Second is retention. Retention's a big problem in higher education, and so we are excited about the possibilities of AI allowing universities to be more predictive of looking at those students and algorithms where there's more risk and assigning, for example, advising the second week of class versus traditionally they don't assign advisors till after the first round exams come out, and oftentimes that's too late. So being more predictive, and then research, really accelerating the research to help solve some of the world's toughest problems that are out there. And then lastly, if you look at state and local government, computer vision's a big one. Computer vision's about public safety and keeping all of us citizens safe, but also providing better experiences for us citizens. So a great example would be looking at subways and trains, and then instead of everyone crowding around one platform, be able to say, hey, Leslie, you need to go down here, or Colin, you need to go to this platform, to create that better experience on and off and to give more productivity back to the citizens.
All right, how is Lenovo enabling partners to take advantage of AI opportunities with their customers now and in the future? Leslie, I'll start with you.
Well, we need our partners now more than ever. If you look at, our public sector customers, there's only about 1/3 of them that really have talent that's focused around AI. So they need our partners to go out, help them with consulting, help them with installation, and help them with managed services because it's really important. And we're also seeing challenges in budgets. So we're also seeing customers asking for more, compute as a service, AI as a service, device as a service, you name it, to help stretch those dollars. So more than ever, we need our partners out there helping us tell that message because our customers need it to really achieve their mission and accelerate their outcomes.
Colin, anything you would like to add?
Yeah, customers are telling us they don't have the skill set to get started, and even if they wanted to get started, they wouldn't know how. And I think that's where our partnership with our channel community comes in. 3 things I would say. One is that our background as a full function technology supplier really puts us in an enviable position as it relates to partnership around AI. The second is we have an AI strategy that intends to lead the market. So this is something that started way back in 2017 for us and continues up and through today and into the future, which is really, really exciting. And the third is that we're investing in our partners. We really are. Lenovo 360 for AI is coming this summer, which will curate a whole list of offerings for our partners that they can take to market. And then we also want to learn from them and get some of that back from them, and as we look to join forces to win more together.
Turning AI into action isn't easy, but Lenovo is giving partners a clear path forward. Colin, Leslie, thank you for sharing your insights.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
For more coverage from Lenovo Accelerate, visit the website right there on your screen. For the Channel Company, I'm Sydney Neely.